So I'm at the scene of a potential Saw movie or Freddy Krueger or something. And it's pretty dark down here. It's sketchy. But anyway, I don't check in by the end of the day. Send help. I'm someplace downtown underground. Woo! Here's what we use to show the dent when we're working on it. LED lights. Working in parking structures kind of hard. Don't have the natural lighting and the reflections to go off, so all we can do is rely on these. And as you can see, it's extremely dark. This was repaired 100% with glue pulling only. The owner was on a limited budget. Some homeless guy, as I said, had kicked the door and he didn't want to do an insurance claim. As you can see, it came out very, very nice. Could have spent more time, could have spent less time. Owner was completely happy. If he's happy, we're happy. Got anything similar? Send us some pictures. This is Eddie with the Dent Devils Paintless Dent Repair of San Diego. Take care. Be safe.